This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Melani Grindley. Wow is what you will say when you pull into this beautiful community. Rolling pastures and early homestead ruins welcome you as you pull into this protected with the Georgia Land Trust with conservation easements, 130-acre ridge and creek preserve. 12 miles of private hiking/mountain biking trails. Anderson Creek is a pristine catch and release trout stream. Lot is covered with a canopy of established aged hardwoods, flat area for a home and mountain view. Escape it all and live in your own piece of heaven. For more information, review the details below or contact Melani Grindley at 706-276-1254.